I know everything I have to know about you. And I'm not really sure I want to go without you. Our small moment that we share is only yours and mine, and no one else is really going to know that I care about you. And all the questions that I ask myself about you, and give me answers that won't make me want to doubt you. Won't you come and be with me? And then I think you know that if you come to stay, you're going to see that I care about you. Won't you be a high for me? Take my hand and fly with me. You don't need to cry for me at all. Won't you sing your song for me? Tell me you belong to me. Tell me it's okay for me to call. And all the things you tell me with your eyes about you, it only helps to make me realize I want you. Won't you come and help me come to mind? You know it's up to you. Follow me, I know that you will find that I care.